This will be going over the quote actions that you can have in the quote results of the Life Quotes tool. There's 4 types of actions that you can have, the first being a custom URL, which we see here. If we click on it, it goes to a website linked, and this can be any URL. I'd recommend having it be websites that are mobile friendly and have an SSL certificate. Otherwise, you may experience display issues. This can be used if you have like a unique application that you want for a specific carrier. You can link that there. Next, we have our third-party form integrations. This is with different form builders that we've integrated with. You can build your own custom form, have it submitted to you, and if you follow our integration guides, it'll pre-fill the information from the quote into the form. We also have just a basic IXN e-ticket. This doesn't submit to anyone. It's mostly stored here so that an agent can fill out some client information and then refer back to it when they have the proper forms to do an application. Lastly, we have our Applicant Express Complete integration with the partner company applicant. With Applicant Express Complete, you can fill out this form here, and then once this is filled out and you hit submit, it sends all this information here as well as the quote information into pre-filled in the application and applicant system with a few more questions there you fill out, and then once the applicant's application is submitted, that application goes straight to the carrier. So you can go from having run a quote to submitting the application to the carrier all within the same action here. You can set up the quote actions by going to dashboard.ixn.tech, navigating to the settings of your mobile app and hitting quote actions. You would hit new quote action and choose what type. Webhook would be the custom URL. Applicant you need to enable. We have an integration guide to get you started on that, or choose from one of our many contact forms, and then the IXN is just the default. Select a label, select a URL if it's a custom URL, and then select which carriers and products it applies to. Something to note is that you can have one quote action per carrier product.